actually getting much better. So we spent almost like 20-30 minutes to ride a motorcycle to here. What should you do if you don't have a motorcycle? ที่ไหนที่นี่ที่ไหน
ที่ไหนอ่ะ
ที่ไหนอ่ะ哪里
เหนื่อย
What can I say for the waterfall? Like we drive the 20 minutes, so go back also 20 minutes. But the waterfall, I mean, it's not bad. It's just the time you spend to get here, and the view you get might not be cost efficient. So I made a huge mistake. Today we are supposed to take the cable car, but you need to be there before like 1:30 p.m. We arrived there like 2 o'clock, and some said the ticket can only be used that day. Tomorrow I might need to have to buy a new one, but the staff told me tomorrow I can use that. I don't know. All I know is the ticket cost like 600 CNY. สนุกไหมเข้าใจปวดอะไรไหม
เข้าใจ
ที่ไหนที่เพลงพรุ่งนี้ไปไหน
กลับบ้าน
ป้ารู้ไหน